Hello friends, this is Manurajya from GadgetGada. Today I'm here to show you how to install YouTube app in your MI TV. So without further wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to download Aptoide APK. I will leave the link in the description. You can download it and place it in your pen drive and then connect that to your TV. So once that is connected, you can go to the home page of your TV and just scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will have to navigate to your right and just select TV Manager. In TV Manager, you will have to navigate to install via USB. So and select the USB drive where the APK file is stored. Just need to click on it and just select the APK file of the Aptoide TV APK. And first you have to go to settings and allow installation from unknown sources. Sorry, I clicked on deny. You need to go to settings. You have to allow the permission and click on allow. So once that is done, you just need to again click on the APK and you will get the option to install. The installing process will take a few seconds, so just wait patiently once it is installed. So once it is installed, you will get an option to open the app. So let's see, yes, it got installed and you will get an option to open the app. You can just tap on open and the Aptoide app will open up. So you need to give allow permission. So this is how the Aptoide TV interface looks like. So once you open it, you will get an update. You can either install it or you can skip that. So to find the YouTube app, you can go to top application, just scroll to your right and you will see YouTube app. Just tap on it and you will see an option to install it. So just click on install and the download will start. So it will take a few seconds based on your internet connection. So once downloading is complete, you will get an option to install the app. So you will get a pop-up to install the app. Just tap on install and it will take another few seconds for the app to install. So just wait patiently until the app gets installed. So it is getting installed and it will take a few seconds. So once the installation is complete, you will get an option to open the app. Just click on open and there you go, you have successfully installed the YouTube app in your MI TV. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.